Welcome back. Let us continue. First question. Peter invests $7,500, which is 20% of his annual income, in mutual funds. What is his monthly income? Okay. So let the annual income be X. Therefore, 20% of his annual income is equal to 7,500. 20% of X is equal to $7,500. Therefore, 20% is 20 by 100. X is equal to 7500. X will be equal to, this is 1 by 5. 5 into 7500. X is equal to 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 7s are 35, 36, 37. 37500. This is his annual income, but they are asking the monthly income. Therefore, monthly income is equal to 37500. That is annual income divided by 12. Okay, we shall write like this: 375 into 100 divided by 3 into 4, because we can divide 375 by 3 and 100 by 4. This will be 25 and this will be 125. Okay, now we have to multiply 125 into 25. We can write this as 5 into 25 square, which is 5 into 625. Therefore, we shall multiply this: 5 5s are 25, 2, 5 2s are 10, 11, 12, 1, 5 6 are 30, 31. So the answer is B, $3125. Next question. The price of a TV set inclusive of sales tax of 10% is rupees 35,530. Find its marked price. So above this marked price, they add a 10% tax and then sell at selling price. Now they are asking the marked price. The selling price is 35,530. Okay. Let marked price be X. So they are adding a tax of 10%. Therefore, X plus 10% of X is equal to 35,530. That is X plus 10 by 100. X is equal to 35,530. Again, 10 by 100 will be 1 by 10 or 0.1. Therefore, 1.1 X is equal to 35,530 and X will be equal to 3553. I will add another 0 divided by 11. I will remove the decimals. Now let us divide 3553 by 11. 3 11s are 33, balance is 2, 5. 2 11s are 22, 3, 3. Again 3 11s are 33. Therefore, this will be 323 followed by 2 zeros. Therefore, marked price is equal to rupees 32300. Answer is C, 32300. Next question. The difference between 31% of a number and 13% of the same number is 576. What is 17% of that number? Okay, let the number be X. Difference between 31% of X and 13% of X is equal to 576. So it means 31% minus 13%. This is equal to 18% of X is equal to 576. 18% is 18 by 100 into X is equal to 576. We shall divide this. This will be 9. This will be 50 when we divide by 2. Therefore, X is equal to 576 divided by 9 into 50. Again, this will be divisible by 9. 6 9s are 54. 3 is the balance, 36, 4. So X is equal to 64 into 50. That is 32 into 100. The answer is 3200. But they are asking 17% of that number. 17% of X is equal to 17 by 100 into X. X is 3200. We shall cancel the 2 zeros. This will be 32 into 17. Okay. 17 into 2 is 4. 3, 34. 17 into 3 is 51. 4, 4, 5. So the answer is 544. 17% of the number is 544. Option B. Next question. The difference between the value of a number increased by 25% and the value of the number decreased by 30% is 22. What is the original number? Let the original number be x. Okay. So the difference between value of a number increased by 25% means it is 125% of x, and it is subtracted from decreased by 30%, that is 70% of x is equal to 22. So here they are saying it is not 25%, but it is increased by 25%. When it is increased, it means 100 plus 25, that is 125%. And the next one is value decreased by 30%. It means 70% of x. Okay, therefore, so 125 minus 70 is equal to 55. Therefore, 55% of x is equal to 22. It means 55 by 100, x is equal to 22. We shall divide by 11 throughout. This will be 5 times and this will be 2 times. And this will be 20 times. Therefore, x is equal to 2 into 20, 40. Therefore, the original number is 40. Next question. Half of 1% written as a decimal is okay. Half of 1%. This is equal to half of 1 by 100. This is again 1 by 2 into 1 by 100. Half is 0.5 by 100. This is equal to 0.005. So the answer is A, 0.005. Okay, we shall finish the remaining problems in next lecture. Thank you.